School districts across our state will soon have new teams to make schools safer. A new state law requires all districts to set up threat assessment teams.
The goal is to find students who might be a danger to themselves or others and get them the help they need so no one gets hurt. WFMY News 2's Amber Lake learned about plans at the local level.
Some school districts have these teams in place already, like Guilford County Schools and Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools. Lawmakers passed a bill last year requiring all K-12 schools to have a threat assessment team in place ahead of the next school year. These teams are made up of administrators, counselors, school resource officers, and other staff members. The threat assessment team will be assessing students who are expressing concerning behavior like making threats, mental health issues, and other problems they may be facing. GCS says they've had these teams in place for years and they believe they work.
Keeping kids safe. That should be the goal. Providing more structure and understanding for all of our staff members. A lot of what we train is just being aware. And if people know what they should be looking for, then they're more likely to say something when they see something, and we're more likely to support students who may be in need.
Now, safety in schools is forever evolving as we go through life, right? New threats present themselves every single day, forcing districts to keep enhancing protocols. It is working, though. Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools says they've seen positive change since one safety protocol was enhanced.
One of the greatest things that we've done, I think, in Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools was adopt the standard response protocol. And we did that, a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, and where we actually see a change in behaviors. We actually see a decrease in the amount of actions that we've had to implement based on an emergency or the perception of an emergency.
The bill that was passed creating these teams also require all schools to establish peer-to-peer student support programs. These programs will provide students with a safe space to talk about their problems and get the support from their peers.